Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. Yes, and in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, March the 16th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 8204. Before start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 And now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now, between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in one. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. And double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me see. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not the last one of the rule, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.